Hook, have you ever been frustrated by unexpected charges on your bank account? One of the most common culprits is Rocket Money, a financial management app that often surprises users with hidden fees. In this video, we'll dive deep into how Rocket Money works, why it might be charging you, and most importantly, how to stop it. Building context. Let's start by understanding what Rocket Money is. It's a popular app designed to help you track your spending, identify savings opportunities, and even negotiate bills. While it can be a valuable tool, it's important to be aware of its potential drawbacks. Why is Rocket Money charging me? There are a few common reasons why Rocket Money might be charging you. Subscription fees. If you signed up for a premium or paid version of Rocket Money, you'll likely be charged a recurring fee. Make sure you understand the terms of your subscription and the cost involved. Hidden fees. Sometimes, Rocket Money might charge hidden fees for additional features or services. These fees can be unexpected and frustrating, so it's essential to read the fine print carefully. Errors or mistakes. In some cases, Rocket Money might accidentally charge you the wrong amount or for a service you didn't use. This can happen due to technical glitches or human error. How to stop Rocket Money from charging you. Now that we know why Rocket Money might be charging you, let's discuss how to stop it. Cancel your subscription. If you're no longer satisfied with the premium version of Rocket Money, you can usually cancel your subscription by following the instructions in the app or on the Rocket Money website. Dispute charges. If you believe you were charged incorrectly, you can dispute the charge with your bank. Your bank will investigate the matter and may refund the disputed amount. Contact Rocket Money customer support. If you have questions or concerns about your charges, you can contact Rocket Money's customer support team. They may be able to help you resolve the issue or provide you with more information. Additional tips. Here are some additional tips to help you avoid unexpected charges from Rocket Money. Read the terms and conditions. Before signing up for Rocket Money, carefully read the terms and conditions to understand the fees and charges associated with the app. Monitor your account. Regularly check your bank account statements to ensure that there are no unauthorized charges from Rocket Money. Consider alternatives. If you're unhappy with Rocket Money, there are many other financial management apps available that may offer similar features without the hidden fees. Conclusion. Dealing with unexpected charges from Rocket Money can be frustrating, but by understanding the reasons behind the charges and taking the necessary steps, you can stop it from happening again. Remember to read the fine print, monitor your account, and consider alternative options if needed. Call to action. Have you had a bad experience with Rocket Money charges? Share your story in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial advice. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.